In this video, we will show you how to install Hyper-V on Windows 11. To install Hyper-V on Windows 11, in here, Hyper-V is one of the features from Windows that we can create virtual machine like this. This is using Hyper-V Manager. To install or using Hyper-V, you need to open your control panel. Just open your control panel. Then select Programs and make sure this is View by category. In here, you need to click Turn Windows Features on or off. After that, scroll down and you will see here the Hyper-V. Please tick all of this. Okay. This is to install the Hyper-V. You can just click OK. Then your computer or your Windows will applying the Hyper-V or enable the Hyper-V. Then the Windows will need to restart. After that, the Hyper-V will install successfully on your Windows. And that's all tutorial how to install Hyper-V on Windows 11. Hope this video helpful for you.